Hello everyone, in this video we are going to teach you how to prepare the sample for transmission electron microscope imaging. Required materials are carbon supported copper grade, KIM wipes, parafilm and the Petri plate. You have to cut the parafilm in a way that covers the Petri dish. Now take the parafilm and cleave it freshly so the new exposed part will be at the upper side where you will place the TEM grids. Now place the parafilm by using your fingers. Now sterilize your hands and take out the copper grid. Now you have to be very careful while taking out the TEM grids. You have to hold it by the tweezer from the outer sides only and always keep the black corners on the upper side. Now take out your diluted sample and drop cast over surface of TEM grid and keep it for 2 minutes. And return your remaining sample. Wait for approximately 2 minutes and maximum up to 3 minutes. Make a cone shape out of the KIM wipes and blot the drops. Now immediately drop cast the 2% uranyl acetate over the surface of TEM grid. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes, maximum up to 2 minutes. You also have to blot the uranyl acetate drop using the KIM wipe corner. Now cover it with the fresh aluminum foil and make some small holes so that the air can pass, so it will dry it gradually. Please put your sample name and the date of sample preparation. Place it under dry and dark area. Do not put it in the desiccator, it will force dry it. Keep it overnight and image next morning. All the best. Please subscribe this channel if you like this video. Thank you so much guys.